This is 2013 Tige Z3 surf boat. Matching trailer with swing tongue, tandem axle, wakeboard tower with speakers and board racks on both sides, trailer guides, this is a V drive, large swim platform, ski tow, large sun pad, nice steps to get onto the boat. Capacity for 16 in this boat. Does come with the bimini for the wakeboard tower. Bow filler, lots of seating up in the bow. Does have rear view mirror. Once again, lots of seating. Cup holders everywhere, built-in garbage can, subwoofers, amp, ready for all your water sports or just cruising around the lake.